Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So as promised, every Friday I see you at 12 noon. So this Friday, last Friday, if you have seen the video, it was rose petals or rose petal powder in skincare. Whereas this week we are doing rose petal powder in hair care. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of people to join in and then we start. Hi Satinder. So the ingredients what we are going to need is I'm showing you two types. Okay, so first is rose petals powder, coconut oil and rosemary essential oil. Okay, and the second one is with rose petals powder, avla powder, almond oil and honey. Okay, so these are two hair masks which you can use it as your prior wash once a week, and you will find your hair a bit shiny and stronger also. Okay, so let's begin. So what I need is the first one. Okay, so I'm taking a tablespoon of rose petals powder, in which we will add coconut oil. Okay, I'm adding coconut oil अंदाजे से about 1/4 cup. Okay, so around 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and in which I'll be adding rosemary essential oil. So I'm adding about 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. So now what we will do is we will mix it well. Okay, so gently stir it and mix it well. Okay, so basically what does this hair mask help you? Okay, so it will help to cleanse the scalp by getting rid of extra sebum and dead skin cells. So it will also help you to relieve dandruff and itchy scalp. Then it will improve blood circulation and keep your scalp hydrated. Okay, so this would be the benefits of it. So what you have to do now is just divide your hair, part it into two parts, and take this oil, which is a mixture of rosemary essential oil, rose petals ka powder and coconut oil. Okay, take it in your palm and with the help of your fingertips gently massage it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then leave it on your scalp for at least 45 minutes. So post 45 minutes you can shampoo your hair, and then you will see the effect of this oil. Okay, so this is the first easy DIY. The second one which I am showing you is rose petal powder, a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of avla powder. Okay, so this I am adding a tablespoon of honey. This would be your deep conditioning type. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of honey, and again a 1/4 cup of almond oil. Okay, and I'm using lavender essential oil, 7 drops. Okay, mix this very well. So this will help to give shine to your hair, plus it will help for volume as well. Okay, if you are facing hair fall issue or delayed hair growth, so it will help with that even. So mix it gently and then apply it in the similar pattern. Okay, so these were the two easy DIYs with rose petals powder. The first one which I showed was rose petal powder I infused with coconut oil and rosemary essential oil. Okay, so this was the first one, and the second one was 1 tablespoon of rose petals powder, 1 tablespoon of avla powder, a tablespoon of honey, and a quarter cup of almond oil, and 5 to 6 drops of lavender essential oil. Okay, how do we get authentic? You can connect with us. We do have rose petals powder which is organic, so if somebody is interested, we have it in 50 grams and 100 gram sizes. Okay, so here is the today's too easy DIY. Do try it and do leave us your feedback. Thank you all for joining in.